Hi, in this video I'll show you how to change country in Facebook business page, step by step. Let's get started. First, log into Facebook on your computer. Take a moment to type facebook.com into your browser, then enter your email or phone and your password. When you click the login button, Facebook opens to your main home feed, which usually shows posts from friends and pages you follow. Once you are logged in, look toward the top right corner and click your profile picture. It is the small round image that shows your personal profile photo. Clicking this opens a small menu beneath it, so if nothing appears, check that you click directly on the picture and not nearby. From there, move down that small menu and click See All Profiles. This option shows every profile or page connected to your account. If you skip this and click something else, you might stay on your personal profile and not reach your business page settings. Now, in the list that appears, select your Facebook business page. You should see your page name and its small logo or image. Click directly on that name or picture, and Facebook switches you into using Facebook as that business page, which is needed to change its details. With that done, your business page opens. You will see the cover photo at the top and the page menu either on the left side or near the middle. Take a second to confirm the page name near the top matches the business you want to edit, so you do not change the wrong page. Next, click About. This is usually in the menu on the left side of the page, or sometimes under a More button. The About section holds your basic page information, including address and location, which Facebook uses to understand your page country. After that, click Contact or Personal Details, or a similar option if the wording is slightly different. This area contains things like phone numbers, email, and sometimes website. It also often holds the location section or links directly to it, so you can update where your business is based. Now, find the section labeled Address. Scroll down slowly if you do not see it right away, since it might be lower on the page. The address usually shows the street, city, postal code, and the current country, and if it is blank, that means you have not set it yet. Once you have located the address section, click Edit or Add your address. The exact word may be Edit if an address already exists, or Add if there is none yet. Clicking here opens a small window or panel where each part of your address can be changed, and nothing is saved until you confirm. In the address form, enter the new country and your full business address. Start by choosing the country from the drop-down menu, then fill in the street, city, and postal code fields. A useful detail is that the country choice here is what tells Facebook which country your business page belongs to, so changing it updates how your page location is shown to visitors. Finally, click Save. The Save button is usually at the bottom of that address window, and you may see a brief loading spinner. Once it finishes, the address section on your page updates to show the new country and details, and you can always come back to the same place to change it again later if needed. You have now updated your Facebook business page country by changing the page address and location details. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.